My favorite looks are those really natural, dewy, glowy, cool, clean girl, soft girl, whatever they're calling it these days, whatever the kids are calling it. We're gonna do a version of that. This time I'm gonna block out my brows. I wanna see how I look with like bleached brows and try to take this look to something a little bit more like, more cool than clean girl. This video is sponsored by Dalba, so I'm going to be showing you how I use the Dalba mist before my makeup as part of my skincare routine. It's a mist serum setting spray, totally multifunctional, and I love it for this look because that is very cool girl in itself. Products that are double duty. It can be used at any time for hydration, refreshing your skin, adding glow, and it includes antioxidants and improves skin elasticity. So I've got two here. This one's brand new and this is the one I've been using, but as you can see it has these two phases or two layers. The top layer is the serum layer, which is made of avocado oil and 20 other plant-based oils, and this is the essence layer, which is made of white truffle extract. There are white truffles in this, like it's fancy stuff. I love using it. Before we move on, they sent me a second one, so I thought I'd share the love. If you're a subscriber and you thumbs up and leave a comment on this video, and I'll pick someone to win this. So I'm gonna go in with the Dalba mist. You start by shaking it up. You can use your fingers to pat that in. Look at that. And my skin is like dewy and just, scrumptious. And I like that before makeup because it instantly delivers nutrients and moisture to the skin. Like you can see it and feel it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some makeup. Now I feel like this is very cool girl, clean vibes. This went viral on TikTok, the Exa corrector. It is, I feel like, very on brand for a cool girl to need under eye corrector, right? Because she's booked and busy, she's got parties to go to, stuff I can't relate to. My bags come from not being able to sleep because my baby still wakes up. Cool girl things, cool mum things. Anyway, just a little bit because I don't want too much. Oh, that's cool. Another thing, the Dalba mist before you go in with your products makes it so easy to blend stuff. Peach on the color wheel is opposite to like blue, which is what gets into your sad, tired under eyes. So that's why you pop that on and it counteracts. Cool. Now, clean girl aesthetic is definitely Summer Fridays products, and I've just tested this out as of yesterday, the Sheer Skin Tint. I really like it. So I use number 3, that's the one they sent me. Yeah, shade 3. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, pat it into the lower part of my face, areas that I want to kind of even out the tone a little bit, but not put it just evenly everywhere. I'm gonna concentrate it where I have discoloration and stuff. Same as I patted the Dalba mist in. See how pretty it is? And I want the texture that was on my skin from the mist to show through the makeup. So this nice sheer tint is definitely where it's at. Anyway, I like it because it really looks like you're not wearing anything. Subtle, right? Now, this is new to me, canceling out my eyebrows. I don't even know if I've ever done it, but let's try it. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Corrector. One end is a brightening, illuminating side, and the other is like a creamy matte finish. I just want to pale them out a little bit. And wow. So that's going well so far. Yeah, wow. Like this is great because last night I just tinted my eyebrows and then now I'm trying to go for a slightly bleached look. Okay. I definitely want like softer brows, you know? And this concealer is very high coverage as well, so I can use it to really spot and pinpoint correct little, I don't want to call them boo-boos, but just bits of discoloration that for some reason today I feel like covering. I'm going to use the illuminating side and just add a little bit over my melasma. Wow. The brow thing was an editorial choice. A little spoolie. This one's by Merton MUA. Okay, Patrick Tar for brows. His brow wax is activated by a mist, so I'm going to go in with my Dalba mist. Okay, I'm just brushing the hairs up. No doubt Sebastian will be editing this video like, Chloe, what are you doing?
I was just thinking that. I swear. You and I, you know. Oh, it's funny. Get back to work.
Adding some more concealer over to blank them out a bit more. I feel like it looks pretty cool. I mean, obviously you can still see that they're there, but they look light brown, right? Tower 28, a really cool multifunctional brand. This is their golden hour luminous color for cheeks, eyes, and lips. I'm gonna connect it to my cheekbone, put a bit on my nose and my lips. Now it's just gonna be like a soft wash. A nice copper brown, well, is this copper? No, I mean, this is just the eye powder pencil, the classic brown pencil, sorry, from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm just lining my eyes, getting it a little bit thicker at the outer edge, and then keeping it right on the lash line through the center, and then even under the lash line on the inner corner. Little smudge brush, adding another layer just to the outer third for that smoky effect. I'm just also gonna line the inner lower part of my eye. I like doing that because it gives it like that siren effect. Keep it very subtle in there, unlike the actual siren trend, which is very like harsh lines, or I guess crisp lines. Curl those lashes. In my case, mine are little stumps right now. They've just stopped growing. Even though I'm frantically applying serum, I swear it's just like the hair on my legs has stopped growing, which I'm not complaining about. But you know, my eyelashes, they're staying really short. Milk Rise Mascara. Milk is a really cool girl brand, you know? And I want my natural lashes for this look, not falsies. Ooh, I like how this brush just hugs your lash line. Short lashes, but cute smoky lashes. Okay, I just wanted to do that to show the difference, you know, what liner and mascara can make. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Done. Kosas, another really cool brand. I'm just gonna use that to pat my T-zone because I don't really want to look shiny in that area, but I do everywhere else. So after powdering, I'm gonna add more moisture again with my Dalba Mist, focusing it on the sides of my face. Look at that. Now for the lips, I've had that color on for a while, so it's kind of like set a bit, and I'm just gonna pat that further outside the lines. This cool brand in Beauty Project has a great lip gloss oil. I'm gonna use that. Really love that finish. It's like a little bit outside the lines with that subtle peach color, but then the gloss highlights my natural vermilion border, and we've got that really pretty, plump, pouty look. And guys, this smells and tastes too good. Dangerously good. Steal a brow pen. This brow has less hairs than the other one, so. That is so me. Blanks out brows and then draws them back in. Nice. Lol, I literally drew them back on. Nice. Got this Chanel Balm Essential. And this is a really nice glossy cheek product. I'm gonna add it to my cheekbone area. It's got the same kind of tone as the blush, so we're getting all those peach vibes. And then a little bit on my lid as well in the center. Cheekbone? Wow, brow bone. In there, whatever you call that part. In there too. Oof, dewy glassy goodness. Can't leave the brows alone, can I? Okay, let's finish everything off with some finishing spray in the form of the Dalba Mist. I really love the smell of that. What is that smell? What is that smell? It just smells so good. skin looking so clean and fresh. So I've balanced out that glassy, polished finish skin with tad messy hair, those lightened brows, and that just bitten blurry pout. The Dalba White Truffle First Spray Serum. This is obviously a brand new one. This is the one I've been using the past few weeks. This has been close to a lifesaver in this heat wave that we've had in California. I've been using it a lot, as you can see, especially since it's dry here as well as really hot. I need the nutrients that this provides. I'm sure some of you were worried there that it was going a bit too far, especially with the brows, but I think that it all came together really nicely. And I'm gonna wear it out to dinner, and you know, I thought it was gonna be a lot more editorial than it came out, but it came out cute. Well, that's it, guys. Don't forget to check out the Dalba Mist. It's available in their Amazon store. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.